umculo wami kasilami sebanginkinga ngiyabona ama-artist amaningi nawacela i-feature ingathi sengiphumelela iwish impilo ingatshintsha
babukele ekhaya nani balandeli bami follow me as we go to Taiwan. Come my baby. Coming all the way from Tanzania. Apho imfene idliwa ilila inkawu isinda ngogoloza. This is the township plan. Hi Vidi. Yavila. Yavila now. It's the chance. Abafethu. Khambani la.
Sharp man.
Hayi noma ndiyaphila.
Yeah.
Cela ubuza qala. Okanye ndigese ngokwami.
Awungazigesela yeah.
If you want. Guys, I think nguye lo necklace. Kanye ndim wrong? Khanigeseni. Ndincediseni. Umoya wami undizisa apha. Umoya wami undizisa apha. I don't want to lie. Hi.
Hi.
Uyaphila?
Uyaphila kunjani?
Ndiyaphila nami igama lami nguLexele Dayimani aka uMboca enzalelwane yalapha eMdantsane. Ngicela ubuza mina ngithetha nabani?
Uthetha noMapulungi ngwalapha kwathi naye same apha eMdantsane. Also known as Taiwan as stage name.
Ngiyazivela ke babukela emakhaya. Wow. Ndicela ukuthi still ukuntshontsha ngoba kaloku wow. Abatshana andifuni bave ezethu masahambe.
Let's go.
Guys, follow us.
Okay.
Wow.